Hey, in this video I'm going to show you how to look up the metadata of a photo that you have, especially if you want to use it in 3D and you want to match the geometry on top of it. And if you're trying to guess what is the focal length of the lens that you want to match the perspective with, like this crazy one for instance here, in a way that the geometry distortion would match the distortion that's happening in an image. The way to look up the metadata of the image would be by doing the following, but please keep in mind that if the image is manipulated, edited, or the metadata is gone into a process that would manipulate the information, then in many cases you might not find the right numbers. The other thing you need to keep in mind is that sometimes certain cameras would tell you that it's at a certain focal length, but it wouldn't be necessarily. So take this information in a way that you could use it as a basis, but not exactly as the ultimate truth and the right information to go with. And of course, keep in mind that this only should be applied for images that are real images and not drone concept art or drone images, because that is very different. This is specific to cameras and lenses. So I would go into the properties. You can either do that or hit Alt and Enter after you select the object or the image. And then you go here from General, you go right into Details. And in the details, it would show you very interesting details to know, such as, for instance, camera maker Google. Interesting. So this could be the Google camera, Google phone, right? And it would show you here even the aperture or f-stop, and it will also show you the shutter speed. But what you're looking for here is the focal length. So it's 4 millimeter, which is extremely wide. And this kind of information or this kind of lenses, it's pretty typical to see these kind of really low numbers or strange numbers on digital cameras that are in smartphones. But anyways, this is the way to guess or find the metadata of a photograph, and I hope this helps. And it's something to be applied whenever we're modeling off of real reference.